As you may know, I was on West Coast Radio this morning, and one of the issues that I mentioned was about the water flow from the southern end of Casamas coming into western area of the Gambia, and beyond West Coast region, also the southern part of Gambia into the riverline areas. It seems there is a lot of misunderstanding about this issue, because a lot of people that are commenting on this matter have very little understanding of probably the Gambia and how water channels are in this country, especially as they relate to the storm water that is emptying from Casamas into the Gambia. If you go to Brikama, for example, there is a place called Salandingto and Salaba. This is one area where, in fact, water is coming from the Casamas and emptying into that area, and this particular natural water drainage area goes all the way into Katang. The same issue from Brikama end. There is another water, natural waterway that comes from, Casamas end going into Makasutu, then, emptying into between New Yundum and Busumbala. And then this is the same waterway that goes all the way into Tauto, and then to where you have the Social Security housing, estate today in Jabang. And then from Jabang, it empties into the Yuna end, and then Yuna going all the way into Madiana, and Madiana into, the Ozone. So this is the situation. And even those drainage systems that we have built, the huge capacity of water that is coming in them, unless we build so many roads and we scattered these these waters that are coming into these different drainage systems, we'll still continue to have this problem. That is why we have identified about 500 kilometers in West Coast region alone that we want to do, and about 130 or 35 kilometers of roads in KMC that we want to do. And each of these roads are going to be accompanied with drainage system. Once we have done that, we believe we can minimize the problem. Because remember, even in the most advanced countries, in Europe, in America, in Middle East, where you have the best of infrastructures, you occasionally have floods. So we have to live with that. Some of them can be so overwhelming to the existing infrastructure that you will have naturally, floods. As you may know, I was on West Coast Radio this morning, and one of the issues that I mentioned was about the water flow from the southern end of Casamas coming into western area of the Gambia, and beyond West Coast region, also the southern part of Gambia into the riverline areas.